Today topic, so we will discuss on how to install Node.js in Mac system on Mac system. Okay, first of all, open Google browser, Chrome browser or whatever you have, Safari or IE browser. Go to Google, find Node.js. So it will show nodejs.org. So open it. So you can able to see here latest latest stable version here and current version. So I will choose latest version. So download. Once you download here, it will show package. Okay, so double click on it. So it will open install Node.js. Okay, so install Node.js, click on next. So accept terms and conditions, come down. Okay, accept the terms and conditions. So click on next, continue, agree, click on agree. So it will, if you want to choose the location, change the location as well. I don't want to change my location directly. I can install my browser system. So click on install. So it will ask password. So enter the password here. So once you enter the password, it will automatically, that password is system password. So once installed, so you can click close this one. So how to test this one? How to test this one? So it's installed or not. So I will open a terminal. So open your terminal here. So this is my terminal. So within this terminal, so just enter. So you can see node version. Okay, type node version. So if it installed, so it will show a version number. So automatically. So I can type node. So here I have entered node. So welcome to node.js version number 2011.0. Okay, 2011.0. So this is how to install the Node.js in your local in your MacBook. Okay, so try it. So if you have any related IT queries, so subscribe my channel. So follow my channel as well. Thank you.